MLA Mawhati ba Charles Marnga ryngkat bat nongialam na Mawhati constituency hakasengi thodeng kila let yakendo yo menteri rangba kajala konrad ke sangma hayeng sa jong u hasilong bandawa yi katu katni ki kampen roy hapo ka constituency kini kimat jing dawa ki kenthop manpenyo ya Mawhati community and rural development block nangta ya ka umsning jagi road intermediate lane badangsa na sonidan sya umsiang manpenya so ya ka umsiang jagi road ha kajingya kren MLA ula pentep ru ba ki don bon kishnang bampat dan school bat ki yeng school ha ki than kapot ki badan kumpa nyoteli laya kren ru ha ka bedai bat ki wei ki surak ki badan ha ka thop jongka PMGSY phase 3 bakentop
kasurak maurang
kasurak pamlata kasurak shalimpod ba khandriu kilometer bat kasurak na maula snai sha kodo hati bat kiwe ki surak uba Charles kumu MLA ula kentu ru ban kentiu kedan no ya ka maurang sub center bat sonidan sub center sha ka PHC nalor kiwe ki kampen roy Mawhati constituency na kaliang uba Charles ulet hu bahalor kini ki jingdawa na kaliang menteri rangba ula pentikna ya MLA ba ka CNRD block on sapen no shen
kejingwan kynduh jongi ya chief minister konrad sangma hakalik step nakaliang jonga kum MLA jonga Mawhati constituency ryngkat bat nongialam jonga constituency Broadway iwan hangni idon katuk nit ligi demand nak benda ke development of constituency kawai ka demand ka ba kladai kawai ka long pending demand hakapa nakaliang ke jonga por bangalong MDC haka sautrik jong banai agos jong senem araja apwe kladai banuan mani kutu ya minister badai pe ya kesin ardi ku por dong long iba hamlet dole ryngkat kisenjuk kirang bashnong jong ke Mawhati area jong ke Sonidan area bat kiwe nang tadi kaderu kadiman hakapa katuk netli ki NGO ru apa ke konstitusi ke jonga kila diman ni kane nak mau ke HYC kila diman bat kilawan sangaru bat arsnem mensua nakaliang ke FKJGP ru kilawan ban diman ya kani kesin ade blok omtang haka sorgar re kawan ban kenduru yang anak takane bat kawai ka bakam ka banga ngahaban dan nyokor ya kadi ka diman kajing kwa kajing angnut jong kipai ba jong ka konstitusi bandon no la ka jong community and rural development lane ka si an adi blok Mawhati ya kajing wan kendu jong i mata kasi kadi ka diman halon kani dingi sokomen hadu kata ba nakaliang jong chief minister ulak kulari kene la sanction hero ye kene ikut ke office work kilaya imenta sanction ye kene ulak itu yangi bat ba shen hien sapan manano ia kene kasin ati blok tingi penpau ke jing sukeman ke kraw na ke benda ka jing ailap ke jong open di kendu bangi ha ke bede kasin ati blok nang tade ke wepat ke ba kwa ban penpau ha ke bede kasin ati blok ki kijing mentoi ki bangi ngiyo la dang ngiyo ke kasin ati blok kijing mentoi ka bangin yo ladang yo ka sen adi blok kadi ban pensuk ya ki pait ba namar pi balai nga ongum ta nado na umsiang kumba arpho tam teligi snong ki haban wan sedu so umsning ka jingjengai ka distance ka ba prapho kilometer urang ba snong teng ba pli ka bai kali umdan haban ma sedu so umsning ban reserve ka kali nang tade ki pension teman ki scheme yang badok nang ta ki scheme ha bai dai ba kini ki scheme ka kam sis pas ngi bat kiwai ki jengam kam na ma pi ka si ana di blok hi ka dai ka badil man la kasngi bat ki pai ba ti kane kala bu jing ya sisa balada ka ne ka urlong sisa kum bangi lai keren ta kasngi bat ngapar tin ru ban ong ba kala urlong hi kan urlong hi na ka jing keren ka jong chief minister kan long sisa ka jing ku ya ka constituency hi baro koi kata ka dai ka wai mat ka ba ar kaba RPI ngi la habang ilawan ban kendo ngila bu ro sa kawai kamat bat kata kalong ha ka bai dai bat usurok intermediate lane ubadangsa na Sonidan Shadu Shah Siang. Haka bede bat uniro so kaman bana kaliang ke jong chief minister ni long positif ban jawab ikene bat ngim atatin ni eru am kum balong ke jinge keren hak ni sngi imat ngin nom slam ban yo ni surok nasunidan Shadu Siang kabadang sa kumasau ko kilometer kawairu kamat ke balai ke bangi ngiwan hang ni kalong banyu thuru yaki kibapun mak kisurok jinge hakalet kawan apa konsulsi ngamla banjir ro dang ni dari kum kamau rong ro dari ke wei no surok kepala tak pelat ya kelit kawan hakaba ngilade bannya lumro ya kirang ba snong jong kamau rong ro nak benta ban penyo no ini surok ding ni thu ipi ho uladon hakalis jong ke PMJSY phase 3 khat nhiều kilometer nang ta de surok pamlatar nadu kapor kapa ilong MLA ba jekedor phak hadu mentangim pat yo pra kilometer nang tade suruk napo umlaper selampoi khat riu kilometer nang ta kawi ka pathamai ka badan hakan les jong ka PMJSY H3 ka badai namaulas nai sha kedo ati arpo kilometer kini kita ki mat ki bang nam tau suruk bat ki wei lo ki suruk ki balong internal road bat ki wei ki ba connect na ka wei snong sha ka wei snong kini kita ki bang yiwan bani krematang singi ka babut PUE batang shan kadang suan nang tena po blok tu na kita kisnong laper mat tengtelai hi sder tater hikawai ke basungsi kalong pa hadu benda idang don kisnong ki bompat don school de nasu komen hadu kata ai ke jing gendo yo chief minister ka tentang singi bana kaliang ke jong ula ai ke assurance ula ai hakmat tang jonga hakmat ki leader ki jonga na po constituency but immediately once shim iki steps pan le no ye kini ki schools popli ki ba mat iki jingnya ki ba don ki snong ki bompa don school ki bolong ki bangala banong school less village ki bompa don school ki don ki snong ki don school bread ki school building kim da kene ke ko way ka mat ka bangang ra ban ye kran de sa sisin na kaliang jongang pan pa bujung aku play youtube star bla ai por nga ba ki nongialam jongi na po ka constituency pat daga jingkerman ke baskam bakine baro kin urlong kumba nakaliang chief minister ulak-ular hakane kasta kawai ke banga kumplet kawai de ki PHC upgradation of sub center to PHC hangne hingala mention tang artli bat kini ki artli ki banga mention ki dei ki balak don kampala Mawhati ngidon tang kawai ke PHC nang tu kawan Shadu Sham try te kala ide ke por based on population kajing don breu kala ide ke por hakabangin yo no sakaway ke PHC hasonida kaniro la de ban ai de memorandum cho chief minister pat ka baar kaniro kalong top priority hakabangin la de ban yo no ya ke PHC primary health center hangte hapo maurong pan upgradation ya ke sub center maurong syaka maurong PLC ini kita ikipa ngilabu teh kabade ba kami ru yang CM pular berpej bania penuatnya namar pa kidon ki guidelines haban base ke population bat kum ta ter kandun ke survey ba kum ta ter nagaleng jungang pa bu jik sukaman kabade ba kani ru namar pa positive response nagaleng chief minister ready sir.
Today a delegation from Mawhati constituency has met me, which was headed by the local MLA from Mawhati, Charles Malanga, and many leaders from Mawhati constituency. And they had shared with me the different needs of Mawhati constituency, explaining to me that how currently the constituency is divided into two different blocks which are quite far away, one in Bhoirambong area and one is in Umsning, and in some areas people have to even travel over 80 kilometers to reach the block headquarter, which is very difficult and challenging for the people and also for the government to be able to provide proper service to the grassroots people. So on basis of that, the Honorable MLA Charles and his leaders have requested if a new CNRD block can be constructed in or can be sanctioned for Mawhati area, and this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mawhati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal, and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new CNRD block in Mawhati so that the people can get better service and access to the different schemes of the government through this new Mawhati CNRD block. At the same time, there was a request for the Sonidan to Umsiang Road, which is again a very important connectivity for the people. On this front also, I have given assurance that there is the new package of the World Bank is coming up. In that package, I have assured the people of Mawhati area that this particular road under the new World Bank sanction will be taken up. Already it is in the list, in fact, and the DPR is being prepared. At the same time, there are certain areas where there are schools that are required, especially areas which are school-less right now, and those village names were given, about 7 or 8 of them. I have assured the delegation that through my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be sanctioning certain amount so that these school buildings can be constructed. So it was a very positive meeting. I have seen that Mawhati constituency has been neglected a lot. There's not enough development in the past, and therefore a lot needs to be done. And I'm sure now with the active role that the local MLA is playing, we will be able to see much more development coming into the constituency of Mawhati. Thank you very much.